Hello kids, welcome to Animals Made Easy. Today we are learning about flying dinosaurs. These dinosaurs could fly in the sky. They had big wings. Are you ready? Let's fly back in time. Before we start, remember, smart kids like first and subscribe next. So if you are a smart learner, please like this video and subscribe to Animals Made Easy. This is a Pteranodon. It had a long beak. It had large wings.
Wow,
It could glide in the sky.
So cool.
Pteranodon could fly high.
Fly high.
This is a pterodactyl. It had sharp beak and wings. It lived near water. It caught fish.
Wow, it's head up.
Pterodactyl was fast.
Fly, Pterodactyl, fly.
This is a Quetzalcoatlus. It was one of the biggest flying reptiles. It had very long wings. It could soar like a giant bird. Quetzalcoatlus was huge. This is a Dimorphodon.
It's so cool.
It had a short beak.
Look at its wings.
It had strong wings. It hunted small animals. Dimorphodon was small but strong. This is a Rhamphorhynchus. It had a long tail. It could glide over the sea. It caught fish in water. Rhamphorhynchus was quick. Today we learned about Pteranodon, Pterodactyl, Quetzalcoatlus, Dimorphodon, Rhamphorhynchus. These were flying dinosaurs. Which flying dinosaur do you like the most? Tell me in the comments. See you in the next adventure. Bye.
Hi friends! Please subscribe to our channel. It's free and fun.